Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design ticket mockup in Photoshop. In this tutorial you will learn how to create realistic and professional ticket mockups for concerts, events or product launches. We'll start with standard ticket layout on a clean white or texture background. Next we will design with the main ticket with details like event name, date, venue and barcode using grounded rectangle tool. You will apply layer styles such as shadows and bevels to give it 3D appearance. We will then use smart object to make your ticket easily editable for different clients. Add fold textures or light gradient to make it print and tactile. And to enhance realism, we will create stack angle view using transform.